Before we get started today, I'd like to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas. I want to thank you for allowing us into your home every day so we can share some time together. I also want to thank the entire Mr. Food Test Kitchen team for all that they do day in and day out. Without them, what you see here and on our website wouldn't be possible. Now, for those of you who are serving up a big bone-in ham this year and want to know what to do with the bone once all the meat's carved off of it, let me show you. What we like to do is place it in a pot with enough water to cover it and let it simmer for an hour or so. While it's finishing up, we saute some chopped onion, diced carrot and potatoes, and some minced garlic. Then we take the bone out and add the veggies to the ham stock, along with some white kidney beans, a bit of corn, some leftover diced ham, and a few spices. Now we'll let this simmer so all the flavors come together. Grab yourself a spoon and some crusty bread and get ready to dig into a hot and hearty soup that you would never think started with a leftover bone. So after all the presents are open and everyone's bellies are full, head over to our website and look for what we call leftover ham bone soup. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, wishing you and yours a Christmas full of, ooh, it's so good.